So in this next session, we'll be adding plugins, all the plugins that we need to set up our e-commerce website. So we're just going to scroll down to the plugin section, and then we'll go ahead and search for all the plugins that we need to set up our e-commerce website. So first, we want to search for Elementor. We're going to be installing Elementor. Then next we want to search for Royal Elementor add-on and template. So we're also going to be installing Royal Elementor add-on and templates. And then we also want to search for WooCommerce. We're also going to be installing WooCommerce. And once we're done with that, we're also going to be installing Rave by Flutterwave. So once we're done installing all that, we're just going to go back to the plugin column and then click on install plugins. So we'll check through all our installed plugins. Then let's select each of the plugins we've installed and then click to activate each of the plugins that we have installed. All right, so once activation is done, we want to head on to Royal Elementor add-ons, and then we click on template kits. We're going to be using Royal add-on Elementor templates to design this website. So we're just going to select this template that we'll be using here. We're just going to click on import templates. Yeah, so once the importation is done, let's click on visit site. So as you can see here, our template has been successfully imported. So let's move on to customizing our header and our footer for our e-commerce website.